This week I'm testing the Volvo XC40 PHEV. It's a 5-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the XC40 there are Isofix in the 2 outer seats. They are within plastic guides and they're nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all 3 seat backs, easily accessible through the boot. Now, I fitted 2 child seats in here really nicely and found that a person could just squeeze in that central seat between them. We found that legroom was good in here. With a forward-facing child seat behind the driver, we could get a 182 plus driver in the front there, and with the rear facing on the passenger side, we could just get a 182 centimetre passenger in front. Storage in the back of the XC40 is quite good. There's a fold down in the central seat back that's got 2 cup holders, and they'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, and a large refillable water bottle fits in there too. There are net map pockets on the back of both front seats. They will hold but not conceal an iPad. There are no handles in the ceiling in the back here, so there's nowhere to hang a child's toy. But the door bins are quite small in the back here. They'll just hold a 600ml water bottle, not a large refillable water bottle. There are aircon vents in the front of the car, but also in the back of the central console box, which is really good for keeping those rear passengers cool. In the front, the storage is better. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, and a large refillable water bottle fits in them too. In front of them is a wireless phone charging well, and you've got USB and 12-volt sockets in there too. The central console box is very small in here. It's a good place for your glasses because there's not a glasses case in the ceiling. The glove box is a good size. That will hold my wallet and iPad with the manual, and there's a handbag hook as well. There's a little storage area in the side of the central console too for your phone and something like that. The door bins are a much better size in the front here. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle, and there's the little storage handle wells as well. The boot door of the XC40 opens and closes electronically and nice and quietly. Now, you can lock and unlock the car from any door and from the boot, which is a really nice feature, especially when you've got your hands full of children and their things. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot of the Volvo XC40 PHEV. Empty, it will hold 12 shopping bags, or a twin stroller and 1 shopping bag, a tandem pram and 2 shopping bags, a single pram and 4 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 8 shopping bags, or a large dog. The XC40 Hybrid is a great car to drive. It's really nice and quiet, and it's smooth too. Now, being a hybrid engine, I've done most of my driving on battery alone this week, and you can select in the screen whether you're charging the battery or not. Now, because we've got solar power at home, when I charge the car, it's really economical too. The media system in the XC40 is in a portrait orientation rather than landscape in most vehicles. Now you just swipe to the left and right. The right hand swipe is for all the different car functions, and you can turn those on and off individually. And swiping to the left, you've got things like digital radio, Spotify and CarPlay. It also has Android Auto as well. When you put it into reverse, the camera image is lovely and clear, but it is quite small, and you do see a lot of the car's body in the image as well. But you can turn the parking sensor volume up and down just using this dial in the central console, which is really good. So to sum up with the XC40 Hybrid, I love this car for our family. It fits the 4 of us in here really nicely, and the boot space is good, and the media and camera is good too. I really like this hybrid engine. It's really economical, and it's a lovely, quiet, smooth drive too.